Well, hello and welcome. If your name's Kev and you're my buddy, you'll know what I'm about to get. Fridge this here. Oh. And I just found a bunch of cord. I mean, not cord, copper. Where is it? Oh, it's just over there. Quite a bit there. It's got to be a good kilo. And a bit of brass. And a microwave. Good times. Oh. I didn't film it. I was getting some price lists from a fascia company, and it was just down the road. I stopped and grabbed it before I even had a chance to put a camera on. I've just picked up a few other bits and pieces and a bike frame. Sorry about the footage and that. The camera keeps playing around. It keeps freezing on me. Every time I put a GoPro battery in, it plays up, but there's a couple of bits to steer. Might be worth just having a little butcher's. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Little butchers. Let's not say butchers, eh? I'll grab these little bits, a bit of scrap. Plastic. Alright, you're right. I'm just going to pick up this metal for you, if that's alright.
By all means. I was doing a tip run this afternoon. So
Alright.
you can sell it, can you?
It'll only go scrap metal. That's all it'll be, just scrap, you know.
Yeah.
So if you got any metal you want to put it out, I'll grab it.
Ah, okay. Right, I've got some more of those poles, I think.
Yeah? She's a bit freaked out by the camera. Let's get this camera off. That was alright, she's come out with a few more bits and pieces. Just chuck them in. Good time, she was very happy. She was very happy to see a young man taking her trash away. I think she wanted me to get my hands on some other kind of junk there for a second. Calm down, love. Well, I'm going to go home and have some lunch, get cleaned up, and I'll be out later. Right, I've just had my Costa. Yes, Costa. I forgot, I'm not on the Greggs. Trying to eat a bit more healthy, you know. Just want to take a look. Do you guys know what these doors belong to? I've just had a look on eBay. I'm pretty sure they belong to a Piaggio Ape or something. And they're in really pretty good condition. They've got some rust. It's got the hinges. That's for Reliant Cars Limited. A Reliant? Reliant what? It's not a Reliant Robin, is it? We've got a bit of thumbnail action going here. So this exercise machine, I saw Dan, that's K&D Scrapping, he sold a Reebok one recently for about, I think he got about $50 for it. I mean, it's a little bit rusty, but it's in pretty good condition. Picked up a bike, don't know if you guys saw that, picked up a few other bits, stair gates, heater, got some more copper pipe there I need to sort out, take the brass off. Got this microwave which is quite heavy. So I might just scrap that out quick and have a little sort out back of the van and get a thumbnail. Right, I'll be back in a minute. As that sorted out a bit, I want to get this filled up before I go back home. I don't want these getting damaged. I have no idea what they are. I should know. I know car stuff. They're all for robbing something. A Reliant, I mean. A Reliant what? What the hell would they be off? If anyone knows, let me know, because I think they're worth keeping hold of. So they're either old school or they're, you know, they're remakes, but they're good. I know them. Maybe Ian's watching. What's it? Hubnut. Hubnut, if you're watching, what do they belong to? Please tell me. Right, I'm going to scrap this out quick. There's me bits of copper and brass I picked up. Nice little bundle there. Pretty tidy in here. Good times. Right, let's get the drill. That rubbish in here. This is so bad. Where's my drill? There it is. Right, let's see if this is brass or parts. Oh, I've got copper up here and all. It's all going on here, look. Oh, it's all going on. There's a storage unit place over there. I'm going to give him a ring in a minute. See if this is brass, shall we? Oh, my crystals fell off. We know where you're going. So I'm on the right end. So first of all, you want the motor out the side. You've got a couple of screws here. Boom. Boom. This is for the transformer inside. Take them bad boys out if you can. Some at the top, some of these have security locks, which are just a pain. Is that one there? It's not. Good times. You want to undo the screws for your magnetron. That's got aluminum and copper in it, and a tiny bit of brass. You just do that, and then you just turn over. Get the motor out, couple of screws. Just pull off. Boom. No, I don't bother micro scrapping. So there's them bits, and you want. In there is horsehair copper. I ain't got my snips on me. Just pull them back, take that out, and some nice horsehair in there. Good stuff. That's what you end up with. And then you want to get your snips or something and scratch that. But I can tell you now that that is aluminum. Yeah, it is aluminum. Aluminium, so I say. But check the other one, because you never know. That's aluminium as well, but you don't know. But I think they go in as motors or not, I don't know. I'm just getting a bunch of them together and I'm going to take them in there and say, yo, what are these? Keep them there for now. These motors and this copper can all roll up front. And let's go scrapping. Yeah. There's a bit of scrap there, isn't it? Bloody hell. Was that fair game or what? Some nice alloys on there. Bloody hell. I'm just going to stop here. This is becoming a little honey hole, this place. A couple of metal stools now here. Oh yeah. Could use one of them for my office. Matey's there, oh, it's a scrap man, yeah? You should go down and sort that car out. Oh, I can't do nothing about it, bro. It's not going in the back of my van. I'll try. Result. It's right on the road from where I picked them stools up. I'm surprised I haven't seen that. It's hard to spot the black appliances. What we got here? Anything? Take my snips. Keep forgetting my snips. Bloody hell. Well, it's not quite, it's better than nothing, but you know. Someone just tell me to F off. Every little helps and all that. See if there's anything over there. This is a fridge fiasco. For those of you who are new around here, I dropped a fridge around here one night. It was like 1 o'clock in the morning. And an oven the following night. That was about 1 o'clock in the morning as well. Wow, they put down a new bit of tarmac here. Nothing, just trolleys, ruddy trolleys. I'm just almost home. I've just spotted a microwave across the road there. A few other little bits. So, be rude not to make a quick stop and get that microwave. Oh yeah. Oh, is that a stainless steel sink? Oh, let's just get the microwave for it. Hope my van don't roll down the road. Probably aluminum. Oh, that's better than nothing. Alright, let's go home. Need to use the lavatory as per usual. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get in, I'm going to clean up some of this copper. And I'll see if I can take another 10 kilos of that in with me. I'm going to get whatever clean alley I've got in my house, or flat. And top up whatever I've got there, get that in, get rid of the light iron. And all that jazz. I'm sure I saw something here. on the way down. No, maybe not. And yeah, I'll come out and we'll make our way to the scrapyard, and then I'll try and get a few more bits in before we get there. So I'll catch up with you guys momentarily. There you go, there's another 5 kilo. It's just a 510. So this should be 10 kilos and 20 grams there. I mean, you know, I'm not going to fight over 20 grams. It's not white powder, do you know what I mean? So yeah, there's another 10 kilos. Last time I got there, last time I weighed it in, it was £4.80 a kilo. So there's £48 worth of copper there. I could do with that. I've still got loads of copper. I mean, tons of the stuff. Well, not quite tons. TV yokes to do, all them are Transformers. They've got over a kilo each. These bad boys. All that. I think Dan said he got about £3 off one of these of copper. Is that £1.5 kilos? Good times. I've got a pipe there. This is all the dirty stuff I've got left. I think I've got some more in the van actually. And yeah. Oh, I've got this as well. Some bright and stuff. And it's all off the yokes and bits and pieces. Aluminium transformers. Motors. That's all off the back of the fridges, so I need to go through that. Let's cut a kilo in there. And that's just dirty alloy from VHS recorders and stuff. The hell just went flying across there. So I'm going to decant this into the bag and get to the scrapyard, I guess. Yeah, let's do that. What did it weigh? What did it pay? So I went in with 10 kilos of heavy copper. That's the copper pipe. And that's just gone up again. That's gone up to £5 a ton. That's £5 a kilo. So I got £50 for that. Ali, which was the bit of rolled or extruded, whatever you want to call it, and the cast from the heater and stuff, and just bits and pieces, the stack pipe. That was 20 kilos at £580 a ton, £11.60. You know, you're never going to get much of Ali. You need truckloads of stuff. Motors, so the transformers and washing machine motors, whether Ali or copper or whatever, I've just chucked them in there. And they go as motors, and they've gone up as well. So a couple of weeks ago, or last week, they were £300 a ton. It's now £330 a ton. So that gave me, that was 51 kilograms, £16.83, and I had a little bit of light iron. I'll say a little bit, just under a quarter of a ton, £110 a ton, £26.40, which gave me a total sum of £104.83. That's good times. Yeah, that's not too shabby. But I went in there and the guy who I call Jamie, his name's not Jamie, his name's Joe, so shout out to Joe. And the lady's name, I think it's Claire, who works in the reception. So normally I'll get out of the van, I'll just do the hand signal for light iron or whatever, and they called me over to the window. I was like, oh no, what's going on? And I got to the window and Claire said, oh, it's Vandal Vlogs. I was like, oh shit. Okay. I was like, oh Jamie, you're a really nice guy, because I said that in one of my videos. He went, oh, my name's Joe. I was like, oh, that's a bit awkward. And yeah, I was really embarrassed. I was so embarrassed. I already sort of thought they knew, because I spoke to a couple of guys in the yard, and Mick or Mike had mentioned about people driving around in their cars and that, and so I thought he was putting a little, you know, because I was driving around in the car at the beginning, and but yeah, they're okay about it. I mean, you know, I've been in there quite a lot of times, and you know, I don't think I've disrespected them or anything, but they found out because someone from EMR gave them a call or something, or they were talking or something, and said, oh, do you know there's a guy on the YouTube, he keeps going in your yard? And yeah, that's how they found out. Someone from EMR of all places. So I can't show my face at EMR. Whoopsie. But no, they were really cool about it, and yeah, you know, I think I've put the business in good light, and that we've had a few mistakes and that on, you know, in the last couple of videos. I've gone in there like flipping, I've jumped the queue by accident, I've been putting the stuff in the wrong pile and all that sort of jazz. But hopefully they'll go through the videos, and no, hopefully everything will be alright. I don't think I've said anything, you know, untowards the business or anything, you know. I keep going back there. It's old school. I'm old school. I like old school. And it's the scrapyard I used to cycle to when I was a little kid with me and my buddy Mark, and we used to just sit outside and just watch the cars getting crushed up and that, or just see the machine, you grab stuff, and you know, it's cool. It's good. It's good times. But anyway, you've got pretty much an empty van except for a few bits and pieces and some doors for a Reliant of some sort. So I need to tidy up in here. And yeah, that's it really. That's it for this one. It's alright. We're getting there. So I'm back roofing tomorrow. I've done some roofing footage, but I'll make that in a separate video. And yeah, that's it. That's all I got. That's all I got for this one. We're done. I'm out of here. Unless I see something on the way home, which is inevitable. So until then, be cool, be kind, try to be, and I'll see you all next time. Love yous. Boom.